Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another episode of I Am TJ Home Edition. Today's video is in sponsorship with Leggari Floors and Counters. If you're interested in seeing how we redid our kitchen in partnership with Leggari, please do keep on watching. So here's what our counters look like prior to the remodel. Very bland oatmeal neutral color kitchen counters. We really wanted to bring some life into the kitchen. I really wanted it to look a little more modern, and I wanted it to match a little more with the black appliances that we have in the kitchen. So we're going to start this project off by taping off the kitchen. You want to make sure that you tape it off as much as you possibly can so that you don't get any paint on your countertops. Here my husband is cleaning as much as he can underneath the stovetop so that we don't have to take it completely out. Now we're going to cover all the kitchen cabinets. You want to make sure that you cover as much as you possibly can. Because we're not painting the countertops, we need to make sure that everything is completely covered. We're done covering the kitchen. Now my husband is trying to get the countertop off of the wall. This is where they kind of edge off the wall with the countertop. Now that we got it completely off, it took us a few hours to get that down. Here's what the counter in the kitchen looks like. It's all taped off, it's all covered. The counters are cleaned, and we are almost ready to start the work. After my husband got the sink completely out, we're now edging and taping off this area because we want to try to minimize anything falling down into the counters. So here we go. We're starting with priming the countertops. This primer is like a neutral color, as you can see, but you won't see it because it'll be underneath all of the other colors that we're going to put down. Make sure that you prime the countertops completely. You want to get every single nook and cranny as much as possible. Here's what the kitchen looks like after all the counters have been primed and prepped, and we're pretty much ready to go at this point. Alright folks, so here's the first color that we're going to put down. We selected 3 colors from Leggari counters. The first color right here is called Metallic Coffee. It's a beautiful, beautiful metallic brown. It had highlights of gold, highlights of orange, and highlights of yellow mixed in with this metallic coffee. After putting it down, you need to smooth it all out as if you were painting. Not much of a difference with if you were just painting the countertops regular. The only thing is that you need to work fast with these products because they dry, and you want to make sure that your coverage is really good. I wanted to show you guys up close how beautiful this color is and how important it is that you make sure you move your paint around as much as possible, because the goal is to make sure that your countertops look like they're marble as much as possible. The second color that we got was called Black Diamond. It was a black crystal color. It had black sparkle, black glitter in it. Very, very pretty. That's that grayish color that you see that we put down. I'm sorry I didn't get footage for that. Now the third color that I'm putting down is the second highlight that we got, and it's called White Diamond. Very beautiful white silver color. It had silver and white glitter in it, and it just gives a very, very pretty kind of silver, kind of white touch to the counters. When you place down your third highlight, you need to make sure that where you place it is where you want it to be, because it doesn't move like the other colors that you put down. So you're pretty much placing it and just kind of smoothing it out, because that's what's going to give you that marble countertop finished look. Here is what the countertops look like, you guys. Completely finished, completely dry. You can see that it is beautiful, very shiny. You can see all the colors mixed in together. Came out amazing. I'm so pleased with it. So surprised at how amazing these products work together. I want to thank Leggari products again for sponsoring this video. You guys are awesome. Their information will be below. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. The counters still look wet. It looks beautiful. So I want to show you guys the finished product of the kitchen, the reveal, how it came out. It looks completely gorgeous. It looks like we spent a ton of money, but we did not. Here's the before of the kitchen. Very bland, very simple, very plain. Wanted to spunk it up, so I want to show you guys the after. Here's the completed kitchen, you guys. It looks amazing. My husband did a wonderful, wonderful job. He is so awesome. We put up a beautiful backsplash. In this video, the backsplash looks like it's kind of a golden tone, but it's actually a very pretty silver. Here's an up close and personal of the counters. Now that they're all finished, all dried, you can see all three colors mixing together. It looks amazing. Here's the backsplash, up close and personal. Kicks off the kitchen. Everything complements each other. It looks awesome. Beautiful, beautiful work. It looks amazing. We also updated our faucet. We picked up this faucet from Home Depot. It was a tad bit expensive. I'll put that information down below for you guys as well in case you're interested. Wanted to show you guys up close and personal. We changed out the sockets and we brought new socket covers. We spray painted them so that they can match. We also spray painted the cable wire here. In person, you really can't see the difference. In the camera, you can see it kind of stands out a lot. But here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am TJ. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Become a part of the I Am TJ family. If you are a returning I Am TJ subscriber, thank you so much for sticking in there with me. I really appreciate you guys. I love you so, so much. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you beautiful people on my next video.